I'm Shahy and welcome to Shahy's Easy English. First of all, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you for 300 subscribers and everybody else who is watching the videos. Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's not waste any more time and get to it. Okay, so let's start. Today we are looking at how to use I and I am correctly, because sometimes many learners get confused. How am I supposed to use it? Okay, so first we will look at the use of I am. Okay, so I am. And when we make it short, when we remove the A and put the apostrophe instead, it becomes I am. Please don't write am. Okay, this is wrong. So let's start. Okay, the use of I am. When do we use it? Number one is when we introduce ourselves. Hi, I'm Shahy. And you are? You might say, hi, I'm Mustafa. Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi, I'm Sajja. Okay, so whatever your name is. Number two, you can use I am or how you feel. Somebody might say, how are you? And you might say, I'm good. Okay. I'm sad. I'm happy. I'm excited. Okay, I'm surprised. Wow. Okay, however you feel, you can say, I'm upset that you did that. I'm upset. So you can tell somebody how you feel as an emotion. Okay, how you feel emotionally and physically, how your body is feeling. I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I need to sleep. We're still on the use of I am. So number three is when you are doing something right now. So I can ask you right now, what are you doing right now? And you say, I'm watching a YouTube video. Okay. I'm washing the dishes right now. I'm going to school. I'm going to work. I'm having a good time. I am whatever it is you are doing in that moment, okay? But if you say, well, I'm going to, remember, I'm going to is for future plans. And if you want to know more about that, there is also another video that you can look at, okay? I will put all the videos that are related to these conversations underneath, so it's easy for you to access them. Now we are looking at how to use I, okay? Just I on its own. So, for example, if somebody asks you a question like, have you had your lunch? You say, yes, I've had my lunch. I have had my lunch. Okay, so I have has been short traction and it's I've. Okay, I've had my lunch. I went to sleep. I went to school. I made a cake. I ran a race. Can you see the pattern? All of these are past tense. Okay, something you already did and you are talking about it. It's not happening now as before, but it's already happened. Okay, the action is complete. So you are saying I've had. So I and then verb. I had my lunch. I went to school, and so on. I think you get it, right? Number two for the use of I is I have something. Okay, and when you're talking about what you have, I have a black shirt on. Okay, I have 4 sisters. I don't really. Okay. I have a big family. I have a car. I have a horse, I wish. And you can tell somebody what you have. I have. And you can, when you are describing your home, I have gold curtains in my room. I have a blue carpet in my house. And so on. And I have a blue wall that some people really like. Okay, so you can talk about something you have. You might own it, or you might be describing it in your house, okay? Oh, you know what? I've got a really nice book that you might want to read. Okay, so I have it. I own it, maybe. Or it's to do with an action. I've read it. I've been somewhere. Number 3 for I is when you're stating a preference. What is a preference? A preference is something we like, okay? I like this. I like vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream. I don't like. Okay, more on I like and I don't like. There's another video There is a detailed video for that, okay? So when you state a preference, or you like something or you don't like something, you can use I for it. You can't say I am like, okay, I am like this, I am like that, I am like chocolate. You can't say that. This means you and the chocolate are kind of the same. This is what it means. So it's incorrect. Okay, so number 4 is you can say when you think, your opinion. Okay, you can use I for your opinion. I don't think, or I think. You can say, I don't think that's nice. Oh, I think that's lovely. I think that's disgusting. Oh, I think that's wonderful. Okay, somebody might tell you something. We're moving to so-and-so, to Spain, maybe they might say. And you might say, wow, that's, I think that's wonderful. Okay, oh, I think that's lovely. Oh, no. I think that's really sad because you'll be leaving me. Okay, so I think, and then your opinion. I think that book was wonderful. I think that book was boring. I think that film was really nice. Okay, so I think, your opinion, what you think about this topic, subject, book. It can be anything, right? So the last one is we used I am going to for making plans, okay? So we use I am going to for making plans, and in I am also I will. Okay, when we use I will, we are making future plans, okay? It could be a future plan in the next second, okay? I will do that in a minute. I will go to town tomorrow. I will do my shopping tomorrow. I will go to the moon on Saturday, okay? So I will go, whatever. I will do that, or I will have fun when I go this time. I won't be a boring old killjoy, okay? Killjoy is somebody who spoils the fun by being sad. And you know, that is the end of the video. And next week I will be posting some more videos, and I am really happy that you are supporting me. So yeah, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So remember to like, share and subscribe. If you didn't subscribe already, then what are you waiting for? Okay, so take care. See you soon and bye for now.